Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
This video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple Telegram channels using just one bot. If you're someone who runs several channels, whether for business, content creation, or community building, this method will make your life much easier. Instead of jumping between channels and manually posting content one by one, you can control everything from a single bot, which saves time and keeps your workflow organized. For this tutorial, we'll be using a channel manager bot that was already created earlier. If you haven't set up your bot yet, make sure to check the guide link in the description before continuing with this video. Once your bot is ready, you can follow along step by step. So let's say we already have Telegram channel connected to our bot. What we're going to do next is create another channel, then link it to the same bot. So that will allow us to manage both channels using one system, which is exactly what we want. So to get started, go ahead and create a new Telegram channel. So you can name it based on your niche, brand, or purpose. You can add a description if needed and set it up however you normally would. So this part is very straightforward and doesn't require anything special, very easy. Once your channel is created, the next step is very important. You need to add your bot as an administrator. So without an admin access, the bot won't be able to post or manage content in your channel. So go into your channel settings, open the administrator section, tap admin and select your bot. Make sure you give it to the correct permissions, especially the ability to post messages. If you skip this part or don't grant enough permissions, the bot won't work properly and you won't be able to publish content through it. After adding the bot as an admin, go ahead and create a post in your new channel. This can be a simple text message like hello, or it could be an actual content you plan to publish later. The purpose here is to create something that we can forward to the controller bot. Now head over to your controller bot. This is the bot that connects and manages your channels. So inside the chat, type the command /add channel. After sending that command, go back to your new channel, locate the post you just created, and forward that message to the controller bot. This step is what allows the bot to recognize your channel and link it to your system. So once you've done that, your new channel is now successfully connected. Now that everything is set up, let's test it to make sure it's working correctly. Go back to your channel manager bot and select the option to create a post. At this point, you'll notice that the bot now gives you a choice. You can select which channel you want to publish your content to. So this is where the real advantage comes in. Instead of being limited to one channel, you can now manage multiple channels from a single interface. Let's start by selecting the second channel we just created. So create a new post. This can be text, an image, a video, or any type of content you want. So once your post is ready, send it through the bot. As soon as you confirm, the bot will automatically publish the content directly to your second channel. You don't need to open the channel manually or copy and paste anything. The bot handles everything for you. Now let's repeat the same process, but this time for the first channel. So go back to the post creation option, write another message, and select your original channel from the list. Once you send it, you'll see that the post appears there instantly. So as you can see, you're able to switch between channels easily and publish content wherever you want, so all using the same bot. At this point, you can already see how useful this setup is, especially if you're managing multiple channels regularly. It reduces the time you spend on repetitive tasks and help you stay consistent with your content. And the best part is this method is not limited to just two channels. You can connect as many channels as you want by repeating the same steps. For every new channel, simply create it, add your bot as an administrator, post a message, and forward that message to the controller bot using the add channel command or /add channel command. Once that's done, the new channel will be added to your list and you'll be able to manage it alongside the others. So this kind of setup is especially powerful if you're running niche-based channels, affiliate pages, or content networks. For example, you might have one channel for tech, another for motivation, another for tutorials. So instead of managing each one separately, you can handle everything in one place. And it's also free. So it also helps if you're working with a team, you can assign the bot to manage posting, which reduces the chances of errors and keeps your workflow more structured. So once everything is connected, you'll have full control over all your channels from one place. And that's it. You now know how to manage multiple Telegram channels using one bot, making your workflow faster, simpler, and more scalable. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Introducing Cohortia, new AI powered community builder. Build your communities with Cohortia and take advantage of AI automation to grow your community and engage your members without working manually all day. Setting up and running your community is very easy with Cohortia. Works for any niche, it's fully featured, SEO and traffic friendly, virtual AI members, fully monetizable, and hands free growth. Cohortia creates virtually real AI members that auto create new posts, AI members that engage and support real members, AI members that comment on posts. Your community is also a progressive app. Member chat makes your tribe closer. Online and offline events, polls and surveys, SEO friendly, team access and management features, highlighted posts, reach analytics, moderate with AI or human beings. You can customize messages, no hosting required, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cohortia now. Just go to getcohortia.in.